Alright, so I had to walk back. I just dropped the box off back here to my car, way in the back there. So I'm in the underground parking. So, the heat does come on here and there, but I'm not too worried about it. Thank God I'm not doing it outside. So I'm gonna try and install everything today, all the parts that I got in today. So stay tuned. Alright, first things first, pop the hood. I brought all my tools here. I gotta take the box down. Oh my God, I'm really excited. First I'm gonna install is, what am I gonna install first? Now, I won't be able to hold and show you guys the step by step, but the first thing I'm gonna install will be the Torque Solutions pit stop. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull, where is it at? Right here. Reason why I got it blue is because, oh, it's not really blue. It's not World Rally blue. It's a plasma blue. Those are looking at it. Yeah, hang on. All right, so I finally opened it. This thing is nice, really sturdy. I believe it's at 75 polyurethane bushings. So this is pretty cool. So it's almost like, I don't know, like 9-10 inches long. I know it's kind of hard to tell the length, but it's pretty nice. So this will be the first time I'm going to install. So I'm going to have to remove the engine cover, the top mount intercooler, and then we'll see, we'll go from there. But like I said, I probably won't be able to hold my right hand on this camera and then try to wrench everything off with the left hand. So I'm just going to have to show you guys just the finished part of this video. Alright, I finally got the top mount off. It was a bitch to take this off. Here it is right here. Oh, I have to say, I watched Subi Speed's pitch stop mount install. What you want to do first is push the driver's side, push this side first, and then push the passenger side. What I did is I pushed it, I forced it down, and then I wiggled it, and then pushed it towards to the car versus pushing it back to me. So it's one way, that was the easiest way of doing it, but the passenger side was a struggle. All right, finally got this damn thing off. It took forever. The bolt, this bolt in the rear is longer and then the one in the front, so you can see the difference. This goes to the front, this goes to the rear. So you can see the difference, how these two, yeah, you can definitely see the difference. So time to put it back and put the top mount intercooler back on, so you guys get a chance to see what it looks like. Alright, it's all done. Next thing is this guy. Oh man, I had a hard time trying to put that stupid intercooler back. Let's see if we can get a good shot looking at the oh, I gotta get a flashlight. I don't know if you guys can see it. Probably not. I can see it, but I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh well. Anyways, I don't know, the cooler was tough putting it back in.